Hi everyone, my name is Kim, like half of other Koreans. Today, I'm going to explain some lyrics of Korean songs and show you how you can use those expressions in everyday life. The first song I brought is, of course, by BTS, also known as 방탄소년단, which is a group that I really like, and I'm pretty sure that many of you love them as well. Personally, I really like the song Make It Right, featuring Love, another singer I love. So I chose this as the first song I'm going to explain. Trust me, I really want to play this song, but due to the copyright issue, I'm going to attach the link to the official music video down below. And I won't be explaining the whole song word by word, but I'll pick out some phrases of the lyrics that you can use in everyday life. Then let's begin. The first expression we'll focus on is 그 손 내가 잡아도 될까? Which repeatedly appears in the refrain of the song. The first part is sung by Jimin and the second part by V. Do you all remember that part? I'll hum a little bit. 이제 그 손 내가 잡아도 될까? Oh, I can make it right. Yeah. So the sentence altogether means, may I hold that hand of yours? Now let me break it down and explain the expression word by word. The first word is 그, which means that. What it's referring to appears right after, because 손 is hand. So together it means that hand. The next word is 내가, and you kind of have to be careful with the pronunciation because it's not 너가, 네가, 누가, or 나가, because they all mean something different. 내가 is referring to me, while 너가 or 네가 is referring to you. 누가 is who, and 나가 is get out. Everything other than 내가 means something completely different, so be careful with the pronunciation once again. Next is 잡아도 될까? Can you repeat after me? 잡아도 될까? It's a bit long, right? It means, may I hold? So 잡아도 is a transformation of the verb 잡다, which is to hold. And 될까 is a polite way of asking for permission. So you can again see how polite BTS is. Now that you understand the meaning of the lyrics, when do you think you can use the expression in the real life? In the real life, you're most likely gonna use it in the beginning of a relationship or when you need to be careful with the person you're saying this to. While you're going out with your date, and you find the mood romantic and you want to make it more romantic, you can ask 손 잡아도 돼? Which is a more casual way of saying 그 손 잡아도 될까? In fact, 될까 or 돼 is used a lot in everyday life. For example, when you go to a cafe and you want to ask for a decaffeinated coffee, you can ask 디카페인 커피 될까요? Because you'll see that some cafes don't have this decaf option. Or you know how crowded Korean metros are? When you want to pass through an escalator where both sides are blocked by two people, you can ask 지나가도 될까요? Which means, may I pass through please? Now it's your turn. Can you think of any other situation where you can use the expression 될까 or 돼? If you have anything in mind, please let me know by commenting on my video. Next time, I'll talk about the second phrase of the lyrics. If you like the video, like 버튼이랑 subscribe 버튼 눌러줘도 될까? Can you guess what I said based on the expression you learned today? 그 손 내가 잡아도 될까? 그 손 내가 잡아도 될까? 손 잡아도 돼? 디카페인 커피 될까요? 지나가도 될까요? like 버튼이랑 subscribe 버튼 눌러줘도 될까? Okay, then I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye!